Hi and welcome to another video of Ryzel PC. Today, we're making a complete review and unboxing of the Patriot Viper v765 mechanical keyboard that costs $80 on Amazon. Remember that all the links are down below in the description. Give it a like and subscribe to support us. Thanks, and let's start with the video. Let's start by opening the box to see what's inside. The keyboard is protected by another box, and when you open it, you will find a keyboard that weighs 26.4 pounds, some stickers, the wrist rest which attaches by a magnet, and the key remover. The keyboard looks strong, and the first thing we will do is test the keys. So let's hear how it sounds. If you're looking for a quiet keyboard or one with a flat and linear feel, look elsewhere. The Box white switches are loud and proud, making a sharp but very pleasant clicking sound every time you press them. As a clicky keyboard lover, I found these switches to be a revelation, allowing me to type at high speeds with arguably great comfort. First unveiled in 2017, Box line of mechanical switches gets its name from its plastic casing, which protects the mechanical parts from liquid and dust. As a result, keyboards that use these switches, including the Viper V765, are rated as IP56 water resistant. The white switches gives the Viper V765 ever so slightly less travel than Cherry MX Blue and Razor Green clicky switches. While both of those have 4 mm of travel and actuate at 2 mm, the Guile White boxes actuate at 1.8 mm and have 3.6 mm of travel total. The shorter throw allowed me to type fast while still providing plenty of room for me to depress the keys without bottoming out. With its gunmetal gray aluminum surface, tapered angular corners, and RGB light panels that adorn the left and right sides, the Viper V765 looks a little bit like a glam rock spaceship. On the top of the keyboard, we found media control keys and a volume controller. The keyboard connects to your PC using a braided 5.9-foot USB cable which has an attached cable tie to make it more manageable. It would be nice if the Viper's cable was removable for better portability, but most of full-size keyboards also use built-in cables, presumably to prevent you from accidentally yanking them out. Like many of its competitors, the Patriot Viper V765 has keys that support 16.8 million different colors and each one is programmable. Unlike most other RGB keyboards, this one has attractive light strips on left and right sides of the chassis. The keyboard comes with a series of 10 RGB animations built in, which range from radar, colors changed in a circle pattern, to raindrops, colors filled in one key at a time, and a wave, color wash over the keyboard. You can invoke any of these modes using the Fn key and one of the function keys. Then you can adjust the speed, brightness, and direction of it with additional keyboard shortcuts. Let's see all the different customized RGB options and what it looks like while gaming and typing. You can also create up to 5 custom profiles that have individual keys light up in whatever color you choose, So if you want the WASD keys plus the IO and P2V custom colors, this is where you can do it. You can use the app to set all of the same lighting effects and custom profiles that are available via keyboard shortcuts and get free grain control over the RGB values for each custom key. In the app, you can create series of keyboard macros, but there are plenty of third-party macro apps for Windows that offer more functionality. You can also turn up the response time and report rate to try to decrease lag. On the bright side, you don't need to run the Viper software in the background, so it doesn't eat up memory unless you're using it, and you don't need to use it even for creating profiles. And since all the custom RGB profiles are stored in the keyboard's memory, you probably don't need to export a profile to keep your settings if you move to another computer. While it's not a perfect keyboard, the Patriot Viper v765 offers a near-perfect typing experience thanks to its excellent Box wide switches. I wish the flip-out feet were a little taller for typing comfort. If you don't like clicky keys, this keyboard is not for you. However, considering the price, the features, and the fantastic key feel, the Viper V765 is a great choice for gamers and typists alike. So that's it for today's video. The link to this mechanical keyboard is in the description. If you want to ask about a PC based on your budget, comment down below and we will help you to find the perfect one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a like and subscribe if it helped you or if you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye!